Africa Union Commission has really prioritized antimicrobial resistance. We launched the Africa Union framework on AMR Control. That framework just gives details of what the Africa Union Commission, as well as Africa CDC, and of course other Africa Union organizations will do to control AMR in our member states.
Antimicrobial resistant is actually the mechanism where most of the bacteria are resistant against the common use antibiotics. Based on WHO estimation, it has shown that Africa will contribute about 4 million people will be dying every year because of antimicrobial resistance in Africa.
One of the things that we are doing is really to strengthen the antimicrobial resistance surveillance networks and laboratory capacity in our member states. ASLM has been one of our key technical partners. They've worked very closely with Africa CDC to improve the skill set, the infrastructure, and the quality of antimicrobial resistance data that our countries are producing. We have done most of our work through trainings. We are providing supervisory mentorship as well. And of course, I'm advocating for more investment in surveillance and lab systems on AMR. Country fellowships are particularly important because beyond just building the infrastructure, they go on to build the quality of the workforce. This workshop that we are currently doing at the moment really focuses on improving the skill set of national AMR focal persons, in this case Tanzania, on how to translate science, evidence into policies and interventions. We are delighted to see how well our country fellows from Tanzania have done over the past year.
This workshop on the communication and the policy briefing, it was very important for me because I have learned how to communicate effectively on antimicrobial resistance to policymakers. And specifically, I have learned how to write the policy briefs, and this will help me a lot as a national AMR focal person and a Fleming Fellow. And importantly, also when I go back to my country, I'll also train my fellows there at my office how to write policy briefs.